Hello dear friends, this is Dr. Mohammad Aminulchem. Welcome to my channel. In my previous videos, I explained various aspects of coulmn adsorption model. These videos have been very popular. In this video, I would like to explain nonlinear Wolborska coulmn adsorption model. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, Wolborska model consists of several assumptions where initial segment of the breakthrough curve is controlled by field diffusion with constant kinetic coefficient, and the concentration profile of the initial space moves axially in the column at a constant velocity. Width of concentration profile in the column and the final breakthrough curve are nearly constant. Then, nonlinear Wolborska coulmn adsorption model can be written as Ct by C naught equal to exponential beta C naught divided by n naught bracket C minus Bz divided by E naught. So we can write equal to exponential B T minus A, where B equal to beta C naught divided by n naught and A equal to Bz divided by E naught, where T is the time, C naught is the infinite concentration, C is the outlet concentration, beta is the approximate portion of the breakthrough curve, Z is the bed depth or height, E naught is the superficial velocity or linear flow rate, n naught saturation concentration. In my next video, I will show you how to fit this nonlinear Wolborska model using both origin pro and MS Excel solver. These are the references from where most of the information have been collected. If you have any query, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Aminulchem, like, comment, share for new videos.